Imagine two friends, John and Lily. Both graduate at 22, both get their first jobs, both dream big. But here's the difference. John decides to save just 5,000 rupees every month, Lily. She says, I'll start saving later, when I earn more. Fast forward 18 years. At 40, John's small monthly savings have grown into over 25 lakh rupees. Lily finally starts saving at 40, but she's already 18 years late. She'll have to save 5 times more just to catch up. This story isn't about money, it's about time. The only thing you can't earn back? Because the truth is simple. Your 20s decide your 40s. In your 20s, life feels endless. You think you've got all the time in the world. Career, travel, gadgets, everything. You tell yourself, I'll start saving when I get a promotion. I'll invest once I settle down. Let me enjoy now. I'll handle money later. But later has a funny way of becoming never. And every year you wait, you lose one of your greatest allies, compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it. Let's break down this simply. If you invest 5,000 rupees per month from age 22 to 40, earning 10% annually, you'll have around 25 to 30 lakh rupees. But if you start at 30 and invest the same amount till 40, you'll barely touch 10 lakh rupees. You didn't just lose 8 years. You lost 15 to 20 lakh rupees worth of time. Saving early isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom. The freedom to take a career break without fear. The freedom to care for your parents without guilt. The freedom to say no to a toxic job because you've got a cushion. Your savings buy your choices. And your choices shape your peace of mind. In your 40s, money won't make you happy, but lack of it will make you stressed. And that's the price of delaying your discipline. Here's the best part. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start smart. Step 1. Automate your savings. Use apps or auto-SIP features in your banking app. Let your money move to investment before you can spend it. Step 2. Focus on habit, not amount. It's not about 5,000 rupees or 500 rupees. It's about consistency. The habit is what builds wealth, not the first figure. Step 3. Learn before you invest. Understand mutual funds, SIPs, or index funds. Start small, but know why you're investing. Step 4. Track your progress monthly. When you see growth, even small, your motivation multiplies. Most people chase wealth as if it's a race. But wealth isn't speed, it's direction. In your 20s, the direction matters more than the distance. Because saving early isn't about denying fun, it's about designing your future. You can still travel, enjoy, and live. Just choose delayed gratification over instant impulse because your future self will thank you for your discipline today. So if you're watching this in your 20s, remember, you hold the strongest financial weapon in the world. Don't wait for the perfect salary or the perfect moment. Start now. Start small. Start smart. Because 10 years from now, you'll look back and whisper, I'm so glad I started when I did. And if this video made you rethink your money mindset, subscribe, stay inspired, and let's grow financially, one smart step at a time.